Hello students, Mr. Bastias here. Welcome to Unit 4, Week 1, Day 1. Make sure you have your meaning mapper, article a day, your book of knowledge, and paper and pencil to write with. Today, we will gain understanding of matter, liquids, and solids. Let's get started. Our focus word this week is shape. Can you repeat that word after me? Shape. Sounds great. Now, how many syllables do you hear in the word shape? Shape. That's right. One syllable. Say all the sounds you hear in the word. Repeat after me. Sh. A. P. Shape. Does this look or sound like a word in another language? It sort of looks like the word sharp in English. When something is sharp, it can cut you easily. Now take out your meaning mapper. In the middle, we have our focus word shape. When you say that something is round or square, you're talking about its shape. If you draw a line around something, you're drawing the shape of it. When we describe how something looks, we often say what shape it is. What other words does this word make you think of or remind you of? Add it to your meaning mapper. I added the word geometry because geometry is the study of shapes. We can see a cube, a sphere, a cone. Now let's read our article a day, solids and liquids. Look at the picture. Is this a solid or a liquid? That's right. It's a liquid. It looks like water. Now let's dive into our article a day. What do shoes, paper, and cheese all have in common? They are all solids. Solids are things that have a shape of their own. There's our focus word, shape. They do not flow like liquids do. When something flows, it moves in a smooth, steady stream. In Spanish, we say fluir o derramar. This river flows in a smooth, steady stream. Computers, trees, and soccer balls are also solids. Here, a computer, a tree, and a soccer ball are all solids because they all have their own shape. Liquids do not keep their shape. A liquid can be poured into a container and will take the container's shape. So if I take water and pour it into this container, it's going to be the shape of the container because liquids do not have their own shape and water is a liquid. Some examples of liquids are water and milk. Here below are other examples of liquids. Which of them can you name? I see coffee, water, a sports drink, and tea. Solids and liquids have something in common. They are both states of matter. Matter is anything that can be seen, touched, or measured. In Spanish, we say materia. Matter is everywhere. It is anything that takes up space and has mass. Mass is a measure of how much matter is in an object. All objects are made of matter. Here are the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas, but they are all matter. Take out your book of knowledge and write down or draw 2 or 3 things you learned from the article and would like to remember. Take a moment to do so now. As usual, I'm going to go back to my article to find my evidence. The first thing I learned is that solids have their own shape. I'm going to write that down. I learned that solids have their own shape. I also learned that matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. I'm going to write that down as well. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. This makes me think of doing experiments in my science class because I remember doing experiments with water and we talked about the three states of matter with water. This makes me think of doing experiments in my science class. Now, please take out your meaning mapper. In the middle, we have our focus word shape. We've already added the word geometry, but what other words can we add to our meaning mapper that are related to the word shape? I added the word healthy. When somebody is healthy, we say that they are in good shape. Someone that is in good shape exercises a lot and is very healthy. And that's it for me, students. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.